how to open the Dell Latitude e6440. Now I will make sure that you can learn how to open the laptop Dell Latitude e6440. Yeah, hello guys. Now I am going to open the laptop Latitude 6440 and what are the procedures and complete. I will define you how to open and go to the motherboard. There are several nut bolts or only the screw. We have to open first and then open the motherboard. What are the problems in motherboard? Let's go how to open the latitude latitude 6440 Dell Latitude. Now I'm going to show you how to open the laptop. Let's see. First of all, we are going to open the uh, laptop. Look at there. It is it's battery power, but the power issue is in it. Now first of all, backside from there, we first of all first of all we are going to open how to open the Dell Latitude 6440 complete procedure of opening going to the motherboard. First of all, we have two brackets here, then push them and battery will separate. This is, you see. Now the screw which I have opened already, but the steps I am going to uh, describe here. First of all, open this cover, these screws 1, 2 and 3. This will open the back cover. Look at that. Now this will open. Now for removing the CD-ROM, we push from here or this one. This will eject the CD-ROM. Look at that. Now CD-ROM easily eject from the laptop. Now this will show the RAM, processor and other things. You can easily clean through this your toothbrush. Now separate RAM from the board. Look at that. Now these two covers you have to open. Here are the screws you can remove from that, and you can now I have already, so this is easy for me. Look at that. Now from left side, these two screws. Now the back cover of the laptop inside the laptop, these two screws remove the back panel. Now these things from the back. Now I'm going to show you the next one is remove this strip from any soft things. Now you can easily remove this. Look at that. Now this keyboard should be removed from these two screws. From there I have already, so this is easy for me. Look at that. And then remove this. Now we have to remove this cover. For that we have to remove the screws from there, this and this and that. These screws will remove the upper panel of the laptop. Now I have already, so this is easy for me.